Welcome to TN Maths World. Today we are going to learn about the lesson number 1 numbers exercise 1.7 miscellaneous practice problems and challenging problems. Question number 1. If 3 by 4 of a box of apples weighs 3 kg and 225 gram, how much does a full box of apples weigh? 3 by 4 ஆப்பிள் வெயிட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஃபுல் பாக்ஸ் 3 by 4 மீன்ஸ் 3 quarter. Find the full box, that is 4 quarter. Listen the answer. Let x be a full box weight. 3 by 4 of a box equals 3 kg 225 gram. 3 by 4 into x equal 3225 gram. That is 3 kg equals 3000 gram. So 3000 plus 225, 3225. In this question, 1 kilogram equals 1000 gram. Next step, x equals 3 by 4 moves to next side by 4 by 3. So 3225 into 4 by 3. 3225 is divided by 3. Answer is 1075. So 1075 into 4. Answer is 4300 gram. Divide into gram into kilogram. So answer is 4 kilogram 300 gram. That is the final answer. Full box weight is 4 kg 300 gram. Next, question number 2. Mangalam buys a water jug of capacity 3 4 by 5 liter. If she buys another jug which is 2 by 3 times as larger as smaller jug, how many liter can a larger one hold? Capacity of larger jug equal to 2 by 3 times of 3 4 by 5 liter. In this question, convert the mixed fraction into improper. So 8 by 3 into 19 by 5. Next step, 18 into 19, answer is 152. Divide by 3 into 5, 15. So 152 by 15. That is converted into mixed fraction. Answer is 10 2 by 15 liter. Next we go to question number 3. Ravi multiplied 25 by 8 and 16 by 15. And he says the simplest form of his product is 10 by 3. And Chandru says the answer in the simplest form is 3 1 by 3. Who is correct? Listen, Ravi's answer is 10 by 3. Chandru's answer is 3 1 by 3. 3 1 by 3 is a mixed fraction. It is converted into improper. So answer is 10 by 3. So both answers are correct. That is the answer. Students are requested to multiply 25 by 8 into 16 by 15. Check the answers. Number 4. Find the length of a room whose area is 153 by 10 square meter and whose breadth is 211 by 20 meter. The length area of a room equals 153 by 10 square meter. Area of rectangular formula is L into B equal 153 by 10. In this question, breadth value is 211 by 20. So L into 211 by 20 equals 153 by 10. L into 211 by 20 converted into improper. So 51 by 20 equal 153 by 10. L equals 153 by 10. 51 by 20 move to next side by 20 by 51. That is reciprocal. Cancelling 153 by 51, answer is 3. 0 0 cancelled. So remaining numbers are 3 and 2. So 3 2s are 6. that is the length L equal 6 meter. Next question number 5. There is a larger square portrait of a leader that covers an area 4489 centimeter square. If each side has 2 centimeter liner, what would be its area? Listen to the question. Area is given, that is a square shape. So area of portrait, square portrait is equal to 4489 centimeter square. Square's formula A into A equals 4489. So A measures 67. That is a square root of 4489 is 67. In this question, 67 into 67, answer is 4489. So side of a square portrait is 67 centimeter. Listen the question. This is a leader's portrait, imagine. Next one, that is the area of a photo is 4489 centimeter square. Next one, side is 67 centimeter. Next, we form a liner. Listen, liner means outside border. That is the liner. Yellow color is in the liner, measures 2 centimeter both side. Listen, bottom is 2 centimeter liner, top is also 2 centimeter liner on both sides. 2 centimeter, again 2 centimeter. So 67 plus 2 plus 2, answer is, that is 67 plus 4, that is the outside length of a portrait. So outside length becomes 71 outside length. Next we find the liner. Area of liner equal area of outer square minus area of inner square. That is 71 square minus 67 square. 71 square means 71 into 71, answer is 5041 minus 67 square, also 4489 already known. Next, difference between the 5041 minus 4489 is 552 centimeters square. That is the answer. Next, question number 6. A greeting card has an area 90 centimeters square. Between what two whole numbers is the length of its outside? Listen, area of a card is 90 centimeters. So A into A equals 90. Square root of 90, that is A, equal 9.4 etc. centimeter. That is going on. So 9.486 something. In this question, 9.4 lies between 9 and 10. That is 9.4 lies between 9 to 10. So answer is, length of its side lies between 9 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Do you understand? Next we go to question number 7. 225 square shaped mosaic tiles, each of area 1 square decimeter, exactly cover a square shaped veranda. How long is each side of a square shaped veranda? Listen, area of one tile is 1 decimeter square. Area of a square shaped veranda equal 225 into 1, 225 decimeter square. A into A equal 225. The square root of 225 is 15. That is the answer. A equals 15 decimeter. That is the question asked answer. So answer is A, 15 decimeter. Next question number 8. Cubic root of 19,06,624 into root x equal 3,100. In this question, taking cubic root of given number is 3 times of 2, again 3 times of 2, again 3 times of 31. In this question, taking common number among the three values, answer is 2 into 2 into 31 into root x equal 3100. In this question, root x is in the left side, right side values are 3100 divided by 2 into 2 into 31. So cancelling 31 by 3100, answer is 100. Next one, root x equal 100 by 4. Dividing 100 by 4, answer is 25. So root x equal 25. Taking square root on the both side, taking square. So root x squared value is x. 25 squared value is 625. So x's value equals 625. Listen, this step is very important. Squaring on both sides. Squaring means taking root x into root x. So 25 into 25. In this question, root x into root x value is x. Do you understand that? Next one, question number 9. If 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 equals 640. Find the value of m. Listen, 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus n equals 640. 2 power m minus 1 plus 2 power m plus 1 equal 640, write as 128 plus 512. Next step, we write 125 as 2 power 7, 512 write as 2 power 9. So first equating the values first and second, we get 2 power m minus 1 equal 2 power 7. In this question, both bases are equal, so powers also equal. So by cancelling 2, we get answer m minus 1 equals 7. In this question, minus 1 moves to right side by plus 1. So m equals 7 plus 1, 8. That is the answer. Next, we go to question number 10. Give the answer in scientific notation following of the questions. First one, a human heartbeat at an average of 80 beats per minute. How many times does it beat in 1 hour? Listen, 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour equals 60 into 80. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So 60 into 80, answer is 4800. Moving the decimal point from 0 to between 4 and 8. So 3 steps moved, that is 3 digits. So answer is 4.8 into 10 power 3. How many steps moved? That is the power. So 4.8 into 10 power 3. Next, in 1 day. A day equal 24 hours. So 24 into 1 hour value is already found. Answer is 4.8 into 10 power 3 in the first Roman letter. So 24 into 4.8, answer is 1152. Put decimal point. So 115.2 into 10 power 3. The decimal point between 5 and 2 moves to 1 and 1. So answer is 1.152. That is 2 steps moved. So 10 power 3 plus 2. So final answer 1.152 into 10 power 5. That is the answer. Next, go to Roman letter 3. A year. 1 year means 365 days. So 1 year 365 into, already we find the answer 1.152 into 10 power 5. In this question, 365 multiplied by 1.152, we get answer 420.48. In this question, decimal point moved front side by 2 digits. So answer is 4.2048 into 10 power. Already we have 5. 2 steps forward move. So plus 2. So answer is 4.2048 into 10 power 7. That is the answer. Next we go to Roman letter 4. 100 years. 1 year equals 4.2048 into 10 power 7. 100 years means 100 into 4.2048 into 10 power 7. In this question, 100 write as 10 square. So simplify the answer. 4.2048 into 10 power 2 plus 7. Bases are same, so powers can be added. Next step, 4.2048 into 10 power 9. That is the answer in 100 years. Next we go to challenging problems. There are next question number 11. In a map, if 1 inch refers to 120 kilometer, then find the distance between two cities B and C, which are 4 1 by 6 inches and 3 1 by 3 inches from a city A. Which lines between the cities B and C? Listen to the question. That is a map oriented question. Distance between B and C equals 4 1 by 6 plus 3 1 by 3. Convert the mixed fraction into improper. So 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 25 by 6. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 10 by 3. 25 by 6 and 10 by 3. Denominators are different. So 3 converted into 6. So 10 into 2, 3 into 2. We multiply 2 by both sides. We get the same denominator on the second fraction. So answer 25 plus 20 by 6. Adding the numerator, we get answer 45 by 6 inches. Next step, 1 inch equal 120. So 45 by 6 into 120 by 6. Cancelling 120 by 6. Answer is 20. So 45 into 20 equals 900 kilometer. That is the answer. That is the distance between city A. Do you understand? Next we go to question number 12. Give an example and verify each of the following statement. Listen to statement 1. The collection of all non-zero rational number is closed under division. Already we learned the properties of the lesson. Recall the properties. The collection of all non-zero rational numbers is closed under division. Listen the closed property. Let A equals 5 by 6 and B equals minus 4 by 3. Assume that numbers. That is first one, closed property. What is the closed property? Closed property under 2 subtraction is also a subtracted value. In this question, division. So closed property between the two numbers is also a rational number. Verify the answer. A is divided by B. So 5 by 6 divided by minus 4 by 3. 5 by 6. Change the second fraction into reciprocal and sign is multiply. So 5 by 6 multiplied by 3 by minus 4. In this question, 3 is divided by 6. So answer is 2. So 5 by 8 minus 8. Minus 5 by 8 is in Q. That is Q means rational numbers. So given property is true. That is verified. Next go to second property. Subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Verify. Let A 5 by 6 and B 2 by 6. The commutative property is A minus B is not equal B minus A. That is commutative property. Verify the property. 5 by 6 minus 2 by 6. Next step, 2 by 6 minus 5 by 6. In this question, left side 3 by 6, right side minus 3 by 6. Both answers are not same. So 1 by 2 is not equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, A minus B is not equal B minus A. So the property is verified. Subtraction is not commutative for all rational numbers. That is the property. Next go to property 3. Division is not associative for rational numbers. In this question, associative means 3 letters. A equal 2 by 3, 2 by 5. B equal 6 by 5. C equal 3 by 5. Check the associative property. A divided by B divided by C is not equal A divided by B divided by C. Brackets are interchanged. Listen the property. Next, substitute the values. 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 5 divided by 3 by 5 equals 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 5 is divided by 3 by 5. Next step, in this bracket values are cancelled. We get answer 2 by 1. Next side 3 by 5. So 2 by 5 is divided by 2 by 1 equals 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 2 by 5 into 1 by 2 equals 1 by 3 into 3 by 5, write as 5 by 3. That is reciprocal and multiply sign. Listen the property. So 2 by 10 equal 5 by 9. It's not equal. So property is verified. Division is not associative for all rational numbers. Next we go to property 4. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction is true for all rational numbers. That is, A of B minus C equals AB minus AC. In this question, let A be 2 by 9, B be 4 by 9, C 5 by 9. Check out the left side. A of B minus C, that is 2 by 9 into 4 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Subtracting the bracket values, we get answer minus 1 by 9. So 2 by 9 into minus 1 by 9, answer is 2 by 81. That is minus 2 by 81. Next we find the right side value. AB minus AC. AB means A into B. 2 by 9 into 4 by 9 minus 2 by 9 into 5 by 9. In this first bracket, 2 4s are 8, 8 by 81. In the second bracket, 2 5s are 10, 10 by 81. So subtracting the values, we get minus 2 by 81. So left side is equal to right side. Both property is verified. Next, we go to the fifth property. The mean of two rational numbers is rational and lies between them. Check out the mean of the two rational numbers. We go to AB 2 by 11, BB 5 by 6. Mean of the A and B. That is, mean means divide by 2. Addition and divide by 2. That is 1 by 2 of A plus B. 1 by 2 of 2 by 11 plus 5 by 6. In this question, cross multiplication, that is 1 by 2 of 2 into 6 plus 5 into 11 divided by 11 into 6. Next step, 1 by 2 equal 12 plus 55 by 66. Adding the bracket values, 67 by 66. So 1 by 2 into 67 by 66, answer is 67 by 132 is in Q, that is rational number. Next, we find that lies between them. 2 by 11 and 5 by 6. Cross multiply the value. 2 by 2 into 6 by 11 into 6. Meanwhile, 5 by 11 into 6 by 11. So answer is 12 by 66, 55 by 66. Multiplying by 2 because we need the mean, so divide, multiplied by 2. So 12 into 2, 24 by 132. So 55 into 2, so 110 by 132. In between number, 24 by 132 is less than 67 by 32 and is also less than by 110 by 132. The mean lies between the given two rational numbers 2 by 11 and 5 by 6. That is verification of the question. Next we go to question number 13. If 1 by 4 of a ragi adai weighs 120 gram, what will be the weight of 2 by 3 of the same ragi adai? Next step, 1 by 4 of a ragi adai equal 120. So 1 by 4 into x equal 120. x equal 120 into 4 by 1. So x value equal 480 gram. Next we go to the question 2 by 3 of a same ragi adai. So 2 by 3 into 480. 480 is divided by 3. Answer is 160. So 2 into 160 equal 320 gram. That is the answer. Next we go to question number 14. If P plus 2P equal 18, PQ equal 40. Find 2 by P plus 1 by Q. Next step, P plus 2Q equal 18, given value PQ equal 40. 2 by P plus 1 by Q equal, in this question cross multiplication is 2Q plus P by PQ. So next step, change the values. P plus 2Q. P is written as front side. So P plus 2Q by PQ. Value, P plus 2Q value is 18. PQ value is 40. So 18 by 40. Substitute the question values. Reducing the answer, 9 by 20 is the simplest form of 18 by 40. That is the answer, 9 by 20. Next we go to question number 15. Find x. If 5x by 5 into 3 by 4 equal 21. 5x by 5 into 3 by 4 equal 21. Mixed fraction converted to improper. 5 5s are 25 plus numerator value plus x by 5 into 15 by 4 equal 21. 25 plus x by 5 equals 21 into 15 by 4, write as 4 by 15 on the another side, that is reciprocal. So cancelling third table, 7 times of 3, 21, 15 gets 5 times. So left side 25 plus x by 5 equals 7 into 4 by 5. Cancelling by 5 on both sides. So answer is x equal 7 4s are 28 minus plus 25, move to next side, so minus 25. So answer is x equal 28 minus 25. Subtracting the values, we get answer x equal 3. Next question number 16. By how much does 1 by 10 by 11 exceed 1 by 10 by 11? Listen to the question. 1 by 10 by 11. In this question, first one write as 1 into reciprocal 11 by 10. Second fraction 1 by 10 by 11. So 1 by 10 write into 1 by 10 into 1 by 11. That is write as 1 by 10 into 11. Next go to left side. 1 11s are 1 11 is 11, so 11 by 10. Right side 1 by 110. Convert the numerator into same. First fraction is multiplied by 11. So 11 into 11 by 10 into 11. 121 by 110. Right side 1 by 110. Subtracting the values, we find the difference between the two numbers. So 121 minus 1 equal 120 by 110. Exceeded value is, cancelling 0, we get answer 12 by 11. That is the exceeded value. Next we go to question number 17. A group of 536 cadets wanted to have a parade forming a square design. Is it possible? if it is not possible, how many more cadets would be required? Next step, a group equal 1536 cadets. Taking square root of 1536 is answer 39 and remainder is also 15. So 39 square equals 1521. 40 square equals 1600. Listen, next step, no, it is not a perfect square, because perfect square value becomes 1521 is a perfect square. In this question 1536 is given, so it is not a perfect square. So Roman letter 1 answer is no. 1536 cannot form a square shaped parrot. Roman letter 2, 40 square, that is 1600 minus 1536. Difference between the number is 64. So 64 cadets would be required to form a square shaped parrot. Next one, we go to question number 18. Evaluate. Root of 2,86,225 and used to compute root of 2862.25 plus 28.6225. First we find the value of 2,86,225, that is taking square root. We already learned in the lesson 1. So taking square root of 2,86,225 is 535. Check the rough work on the right side. Next, using the value 535, we compute the another value 2862.25. Answer is 53.5. That is, put decimal point the 2 points in the question, answer gets 1 decimal point. Listen, question gets 0.25, that is 2 decimal points. So answer get 1 decimal point. So 535 write as 53.5. Next go to the second, the same number but the decimal points changed. There are the 4 decimal points, so answer gets 2 decimal points, so 5.35. So adding the numbers 53.5 plus 5.35, answer is 58.85. That is the answer. Next question number 19, simplify. 3.769 into 10 power 5 plus 4.25 into 10 power 5. That is using a scientific notation format. So verify the answer. Question is right as next one. Powers, adding the powers. Base is same, so 10 power 5 is a common value, so taking 10 power 5 as a common factor. So remaining in the first bracket 3.769, remaining in the second bracket is 4.21. So adding the values we get 7.979 into 10 power 5. That is the answer. Next question number 20. Order the following from the least to the greatest, that is ascending order. 16 power 25, 8 power 100, 3 power 500, 4 power 400, 2 power 600. Powers are more than 2, 4, 6. Listen, 16 power 25 write as 16, first write as 16 2 power 4. In this question bases are different, so we change the power as same. Different powers would be changed into same. Listen, 2 power 4 equals 16. So 2 power 4 power 25. 2 powers multiplied, answer is 2 power 100. Next question, 8 power 100, simply write as 8 power 100, no change. Next, 3 power 500, write as 3 power 5 into 100. So 3 power 5 values 243 power 100. In this question powers are same. So next go to the fourth value 4 power 400, write as 4 power 4 into 100. So 4 power 4 means 256 power 100. Next value 2 power 600, write as 2 power 6 into 100. 2 power 6 value 64, so 64 by 100. In these values powers are same. 6 powers less than all the powers are same, so ascending the base value. First one 2 power 100 is less than 8 power 100 is less than 64 power 100, 243 power 100, 256 power 100. Write the equivalent value that is in the question. 16 power 25 less than 8 power 100 is less than 2 power 600 is less than 3 power 500 is less than 4 power 400. That is the answer. Exercise 1.7 is over. Thank you. Keep watching.